Changing your primary email on Tickmill is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Tickmill website and log into your trading account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for the option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your email, you may need to confirm the change through a verification email sent to your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Tickmill will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tickmill's customer support for assistance.